went to Five Below. I got some things. I got this cute little crochet kit for my work mom. And I got two blind bag and blind box figures. I got this one. I really went Basmaru, Hangidon, or Krodopi. Your Tuxedo Sam's cute too. Oh, Hangidon! Oh my goodness, he's so cute. I managed to get a an actual Labubu from the from Pop Mart's live tonight. I'm like super excited about it. Second one I have, I saw a person on here who bought one of these from Five Below. They said they got them there, and I went and I found one, and this was the only one they had left. These are actually really cute, and I like that they come with their own little display case. That's kind of cool. Ooh, Queen of Spooky Night would be cool. Queen of Spicy's kind of cute. Queen of High School, I like all the purple and black. Queen of Game Day looks pretty cool. This one looks like Miku. Let's see which one we get. I guess they tell you when you open it. Maybe? Okay, so I guess the card is in here. Little display box. That's kind of... And the packaging's kind of purpley. I love it. Well, maybe it does tell you which one you get. This one is Queen of Heartbreakers. She's cute. Oh, she's got little wings on the back. Now she's all safe and protected from dust in her little box. I love this. And then this is the little card. These are fun. I want to go see if I can find any more this weekend. Anyways, that's all I have for now. I have a bunch of stuff coming in the mail, which I'm excited about. And I will share with y'all when it comes in. Thanks for watching. Bye.